Welcome to One Accessibility. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and manage custom profiles in the One Accessibility plugin for WordPress. Custom profiles allow you to combine multiple accessibility settings into ready-made presets, making it easy for users to switch their browsing experience instantly. With just one click, your website adapts to different needs without any manual adjustments. Let's get started and see how it works. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Accessibility tab. This will take you into the One Accessibility plugin dashboard, where you'll find a set of vertical tabs for managing different settings and features. From here, select the Custom Profile tab. This section allows you to create and manage accessibility profiles tailored to different user needs. Keep in mind that this feature is available only with Pro Access. If you're here for the first time, you'll notice that no profiles have been created yet, so this area will appear empty until you add your own. To create a new profile, look at the top right corner and click on the Add New Profile button. This will open the profile creation interface where you can start building your custom accessibility setup. The first step is profile information. Here, you can enter a clear and descriptive name for your profile so it's easy to identify later. Next, add a short description that explains the purpose of the profile. After that, choose an icon that visually represents it. On the right side, you'll see a live preview showing how your profile name and icon will appear, helping you make adjustments as needed. Once the profile identity is set, move on to the Accessibility Features section. This is where the real customization happens. You can choose from a wide range of options based on the experience you want to create for your users. Under the text settings, you can enable features such as larger text, adjusted spacing, modified line height, different text alignment options, a dyslexia-friendly mode, or even a dictionary tool for better readability. In this example, we are selecting the dyslexia-friendly option to improve reading comfort. Next, in the color and contrast settings, you'll find tools like contrast adjustment, smart contrast, brightness control, grayscale mode, saturation control, link highlighting, and image visibility controls. Here, we are enabling highlight links and hiding images to improve focus and readability. After that, you'll find the orientation settings, where you can enable cursor enhancements for better navigation and visibility. You are free to combine as many features as needed to match your accessibility goals. Once everything is configured, scroll down and click the Create Profile button. Instantly, your new custom profile will be created and listed inside the Custom Profile tab. From there, you also have the option to edit or delete it whenever needed, giving you full control over your profiles. Now that your profile is ready, the next step is to use it. Go to the Presets tab, where you will find a default preset already available. You can either add your custom profile to this existing preset or create a new preset if you prefer a separate setup. To add your profile, click the Edit button on the preset. This will open the preset editor, where you can scroll down to the Profiles section. Here, you will see the default profiles already active, along with your newly created custom profile at the bottom. Simply enable the toggle switch next to it, and it will be added to your preset. You can also see a live preview on the right side to confirm the changes. After that, scroll down and click the Update Preset button to save your changes. Your custom profile is now successfully integrated into the preset. To see it in action, visit your website and open the Accessibility menu. Navigate to the Accessibility Profiles section, where you will now find your custom profile listed alongside the default options. With a single click, you can activate it, and all the selected features will instantly apply to your site. In this example, dyslexia-friendly settings, highlighted links, hidden images, and cursor enhancements are all activated together, delivering a smoother and more accessible browsing experience. And that's how you can easily combine multiple accessibility features into a single custom profile and apply it through presets, making your website more flexible, user-friendly, and inclusive for every visitor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the BdThemes YouTube channel for more WordPress tips, tutorials, and updates on our powerful plugin suite, including the One Accessibility plugin. Thanks for watching.